Where is he? Oh, there you are. What is it? I'm going to destroy this whole lab. Wait, no, don't! You know it's May now, and you're supposed to get destroyed yesterday, but I guess I forgot. So today I will destroy you. In 3, 2, 1. Ow! Ugh! Haha, that's what you get. Hey! What? Yeah, I kind of did. Aren't you a clone, though? So I will destroy the lab and destroy you. And 3, 2, 1. Huh, you really think this is over? Just wait until my plan in a couple months. Ugh, why does my head hurt? Wait, I'm in the hospital.